So today we are going to build this amazing portfolio website using HTML and CSS. This is a first website which you have to create before everything. This amazing website we have to create using HTML and CSS, and step by step I will guide you how to create it. So first of all, you have to create a folder on your desktop by name uh, portfolio website, and the asset which I am giving on in the description you have to download and paste in your folder, which name is profile website portfolio website. And you have to open the VS Code, which is our code editor, and drag and drop the folder which you have created on your desktop. So after you drag in dropping your folder in the VS Code, you have to create an index.html file where we can uh, write our HTML tags like navbar, headers, footers, about section, and much more. So first of all, we have to get the format, which is this. This is the HTML format, and here we have to write our portfolio website, and with an heading in it. A title and heading are two different things, and you have to copy path from the copy file, and the and open the browser which you want. uh, I am now I am now opening the Chrome browser and pasting our link in the URL section. We have got the website live, and now we have to first create our navbar. So let's zoom out, zoom in, and create the nav tag, which is our semantic tag. And first we have the Muhammad Ali, which is my logo or my name, which will be put in the navbar. So we have three links in navbar with a heading of Muhammad Ali, and three links which are home, about section, and projects. So we have got these three, and now we have to style these tags. For styling these tags, we have to create a navbar.css, and just put these things front of each other. Now we have default setting. We have to just finish the default setting and put some customization like font family. It is not appearing. It is not changing the font family because we don't have link our CSS. So now we have to link our CSS just like that, and we have got this beautiful. And after this, we have to put the background color black, and we have to get the text color white. Now this is very beautiful look likes. And now we have to some custom style for this semantic tag which we are using throughout this tutorial. So you also have to follow along with me. And yeah, that's basically it. And we have a padding top to bottom 0, and the left and right 30 px for every elements. So we are getting what we want, and border is 1 px solid gray, which we have put. And this file will be not the navbar, this will be the general.css, because this general.css includes many general customization. And for navbar we have to create one another navbar.css file. Now we can style it, and display flags, it is not uh, applying because we don't link it. Now we have linked. Now we have to see it. Now it's great, looks like things are applying. Justify content space between means things will be on the starting and ending point. On the align item center makes the text up and down into a center plane line, and padding will put some padding in it. You can see that what is padding. it is just putting some space between the outer border and the element between element, and we have to style it. Not we have to get margin, some margin, top to bottom 0 and left and right 10 px. Now it is looking great, just like our final project. And we have a cursor pointer because when we hover on the element like about and home, then the cursor will convert into pointer. Now we have to create the header section. We have to create our header section by header semantic tag, and we also have to create our in header dot css file. So our style will be, all style will be in the header dot css. In header semantic tag we have two sections. In section we can put many things. A section is just a part of, just like a div, if you know. We have to link the header.css while styling in header.css. Now we have to put some style in. Before putting some style we have to put the image from acid the profile. That's great, this is my image. If you like it, then subscribe it. We have to put some height and width. This is custom height and width for it, and that's looking great. And from header section, not, it is not necessary. We just have to style the image and now put some padding and height in. Before putting some height and width we have to put the uh, important thing in it, like our heading and our small paragraph, which will be in our header section, and a button. So first of all we have some acid in which that all texts will be mentioned. You have to just cut it and paste there, just like that. The thing which we applied already, we have to clean it, and just like that what I am doing, you have to copy all the thing, cut, if you can cut then cut it and paste here in paragraph. Now you have a project. These three things are necessary in our header section. Now we can look our header section. This is not the layout which we want. We just have to fix it out by display grid and grid column 1fr and 1fr. You can see that this is applied. And now we have some custom padding, so 100px. You can see that is what it is appearing. Now we have font size of 70px. Our heading 50px, not it is I think 70px is good for it, because in figma design we have seen that this type of height. And we have margin 0 of the dot h1, and we have we have to customize our paragraph height. This is looking great. Now we have to style our button section. We have to put some padding in our section. This is this is looking great. So we have margin 0, which will make it to look great. And b1 is our button, so we have to style it and it's look great. I think I have to do this, and like this I have to put some background color like green and border none, so this look like that. And we have margin of 5px top to bottom, and left and right is 0. Border radius will be 5px, which is looks great. 15 is the margin which we put in the Now we have completed our header section. That's looking great, and we have to close it and just start our new section, which is our about section. Now we have our about section, and we just call it using first we have to create our about.css file in which our all style will be occur. So first of all we have to link it by saying that about.css, and we have to put some tag like main tag for about section, in which we will put some h1 the heading, in which we are saying that it is our about section, about me. H1 will be applied. That's look great. And next is our section where we are putting the h2 tag again, but customizing it and changing the word we have written in it. So now we have our details like these subheadings. We just have to cut and paste our headings here in a particular area which where they needs, and we have to paste the paragraph of these things in the paragraph section. And third thing we don't need third thing, we need another section. So this is the custom layout. Now we need third thing, which is section, and we need another subheading which name as my skills, which we have to cut from here and get it. Now we have two headings and two sections. In skill section, this our all button will be here. Buttons like my skills, our skills are available here. Now customize the buttons as your skills are. My skills are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Tailwind CSS, React JS, Next.js, MongoDB, Express.js, and much more. You can put what you want because these are all related with your skill. So what your skill, that skill will be appear here. So if you want to customize it, then feel free to customize it, because this is all for you, for your portfolio. So your portfolio should contain all the respective things what you can do. So this is the default setting. We have to style the main section, which we are doing this. I think. Oh, why this occurs? Oh, sorry, I'm giving grid, display grid to main section. In main section, we have a heading and two sections. So we have to. Still, it is not working good. What I have done? I think I have made a mistake. Uh, I have to put the two sections in a grid, so we can style it. Close the sections separately and put them in a grid. Cut these things and put a grid and paste here, and now customize the grid tag. Now we have our beautiful layout. This is looking great. We have to put some BR, which is a break of our lines. So you can see that how is it applied. We have to put some padding in it. Now That's looking great. It will be better if I do this. Now it's great. We have to customize now our buttons. Mm, After customizing this button, we will be able to see the layout in a better way. It's looking great. We just have to put some background color and margin in it, so it's look great. I think it will be better if I do it to 30. Now it's looking great. So you can freely customize as you want, because this is the portfolio for you, and your project will be showcased on this portfolio. So feel free to customize it in full way. It's not problem if you make mistake, because making mistake is the first step to learning. We have to put some picture in it, because our portfolio contain a picture of a person in our about section, which make cool it little cool. So this is looking great, I think, but I think this size is very big, so make it small. I think I have to decrease its size and give it custom width. We have to give it custom width and height also, so the picture will be fully contained. Now it's looking great. We have to put some margin in. Margin left would be 10 px. I think 15 px. That's look great, just in line. uh, Next will be the border radius, will be 10 px, I think. Now this is looking great. We can move to the next step, which is our project section. Our project section is now continued. We have to create a file which name is project.css. It contains our all CSS. So first of all, we have to link it, like what we do for other stuff. Our now we have to put our project section, which will saying that dot project with div containing a class of projects, and have a heading where we have our heading. Our heading will be projects, and our subheading will be project website. Now put a main section here and give some sections. We also need here two sections. In first section we need a picture, and in second section we will need some text. So first of all, we have to text align center, and put an image in it. Now it's looking great, but its size is very condensed. We have to stretch it out by giving height and width custom. The height is perfect, but the width is very annoying. We can customize it. Now also have to make it smaller. Now I think this is looking great. We have to put some text in it. Touch one tag which is saying that portfolio website, and our first website thumbnail is that. So we have to write something related to our first website by saying that portfolio website by using Figma. It is start. It is the best tutorial for beginners. Now it's looking great. We have to put something here. Um, what do we have to put something here? Now we have to put an image dot link saying that this is a link, and image will be GitHub image, and fix the height and width of the image saying height and width. Now this is looking great, and we have border radius 100%, so the white spaces are finished. This is looking great. And now customize the main section by saying that this is display grid. And what's happened? Oh, I know, these all style will be applied on our another section, so we have to specify with giving the name. Our image is also full width because this hair image uh, customizes it. So this style also applying on other sections, so we have to make it more directive, like giving classes and specifying by classes, not semantic tags. So we have got our thing, and we have to style it. We have to style the h1 tag. Now font size is 30 px, and we have to put some paragraphs sizes like 25. I think it's better. Some padding in it. Top to bottom 20, and left and right also 20. That's looking great. I think this thing should be in center. Justify content center, align item center. These two tags will be applied if you display flex it. Now it is in the center. It's looking great. But this customization is also applied on our header tag. We don't like to do that. So first we have to fix it. How we fixed it? I'm trying something. If it's work, then you have to apply it before. If it is not applied, then you don't have to follow along with me. First see if it work or not. I'm trying to fix it. Now I think it is applied, but it is done. It's done some weird customization. So I think in starting this is looking great. Now we have completed our all section. We have to create our footer section by using a footer semantic tag in HTML file. We have to create a footer.css where our all style will be occurred. Now here our paragraph is. Here is the paragraph which is saying that this is copyright by Muhammad Ali, which is I am. And here we can style it, close other files and open the footer.css and start customizing it. First you have to Now we are customizing our footer by giving some padding. I think this is looking great. So this is not applying because I don't link it. So first of all, our work is to link it by giving the particular name of the CSS file. I think it's looking great. Now we have a link section which is named as UL. In UL we have some 4 images which are links for our social media or other stuff where we work. So these are four images for 4 links. For now I am making these 4 images as a link, but you can enter these things in an anchor tag, so the image will be link element also, and when you click on the images it will redirect you to the platform you want. Now I am not showing you that things because it will be too time consuming. Our tutorial is also is too time extend to long time, so I don't want to make it more bigger because it will be confusing. For now this is great, and we just have to create this layout in a particular way, and this is looking great. I think I have missed something, like this picture is small. I have to bigger the header section image, so I have to give some class to it and customize specifically like header image, and give a class for the CSS file where we put the image height and width. We can replace it with the class. Now this is looking great. We just have to open the general.css. Before general.css we have to select header section, and these flags justify content, line item center, text line start. I think no, this is not working. I have to say that text line center. I think this will work. Yeah, this is worked, and yeah, that's basically it. And you have successfully created your portfolio website. Congratulations for your uh, concentration, and you have the stamina to uh, see the tutorial fully. So congratulations for many things, for your consistency, and for your step-by-step follow along with me. Now you have a great portfolio. You can customize all the things on which is appearing on this website as you want. Fully, I suggest you to fully customize this portfolio as you want, and make it more put some more functionality in it. I will be happy, and tag me as if you create any tutorial on this website and you start with a beginner level, then you can tag me as hash Spaqoo devs or at the rate Spaqoo dev in YouTube channel and other platform. I will be happy after seeing that thing. So goodbye, see you in the next video.